Madagascar, debutants 2 years ago, finished third.
Madagascar through to the semi-finals of China 24. Now, after the match, Harambee Stars head coach McCarthy said that the players who missed penalties should not be blamed. He will take sole responsibility for Kenya being knocked out of the tournament. Let's listen in.
The free kick for the goal was extremely soft. So that should have stood, in my opinion, but the referee and the VAR and the officials that was onto the pitch today, they disagreed, so they gave the decision. And the penalty, what the player is meant to do. His hands is there, and the ball hit him on the hand. Yeah, it was a shot at goal, but it was going straight to the goalkeeper's hands to begin with. So I've not seen the images back. Maybe his hand was maybe in an sport position, but from where I seen, he turned his back and his hands were close to his body. So the penalty was given, but I think even prior to the penalty, we made too many mistakes as well, to allow the situation to escalate for them to get to that situation. And so I think that's either way. It's over and done with. We didn't take our chances when we should have, and we allowed the game to get to where it went. So they had good mental toughness to endure the penalties, to be one behind us in command, and then you kind of throw it away, basically. But I feel for the players more, because I think they worked hard and they wanted to really, really win and be in the semi-final, but unfortunately, life. And there'll be quite a lot of those players in the international stage, because I think.
That is the Harambee Stars head coach McCarthy speaking.